Hi everyone, this is Tyler Nilsson here with Recovery, and I wanted to make this video to show you how important it is to track your calories, and I'm going to also show you how to do a calorie deficit to where you can lose consistent weight on a weekly basis. So one thing to know that is very important is at the very top. 1 pound equals 3,500 calories. Now if you don't want to get really strict on your macros, I definitely encourage people to track their macros. But calorie deficit is a great way to lose weight, and if you're going to do intermittent fasting, which is going to cut out a meal for the day, usually you're going to do about 2 meals a day, sometimes 3, so you'll actually see it's a very easy way to lose weight by doing a calorie deficit, and intermittent fasting just helps you skip a meal, which keeps your calorie intake low. So I use 2 examples here. I've got an 1,800 calories a day and then 2,000 calories a day. These are my 2 calorie intakes that I do on a daily basis in order to lose weight. So over here, 1,800 calories a day. Since 1 pound equals 3,500 calories, we're going to subtract 1,800 calories, and that would be a 1,700 calorie deficit a day. So if you're going to do that 7 days a week, multiply 1,700 by 7, it's going to give you 11,900 calories. So once you have that, take 11,900, divide that by 3,500 calories. That's going to equal 3.4 pounds that you can lose per week just doing an 1,800 calorie a day diet. And so it's a great way to lose weight. The other one on the right is 2,000 calories a day. And since 1 pound equals 3,500 calories, 3,500 minus 2,000, that's going to be a 1,500 calorie a day deficit. If you're going to do that 7 days a week, multiply that by 7, that's going to equal 10,500 calories. So once you have that number, 10,500 calories, divide that by 3,500, it's going to equal 3 pounds of weight loss per week. So if you stick to your calorie intake, that is the #1 most important part, because the biggest struggle in America right now is overeating, and not a lot of people track their calories. But if you stay at a low calorie intake and you do a calorie deficit, you can see, depending on what calorie intake you're doing, anywhere from 1 pound up to 3.5 pounds, per week of weight loss. So I hope this video helps you out, but this is a very easy way to lose weight, especially if you don't want to be super strict on your macros. And as long as you stay within your calorie intake, it's going to keep you pretty close to your macros, depending on what foods you're eating. But this is just a really good video to kind of understand how beneficial it can be to do a calorie deficit, and you will see consistent fat and weight loss every single week by doing that.